I am Kiki the dentist. There is something wrong with the kids' teeth. Please check them out. My teeth hurt. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. The tongue is so dirty. Scrape it clean first. Blow away bad smell and freshen your breath. Let's look for the bad teeth. The teeth with cavities are found. You are awesome! More cavities are found. There are 3 teeth with cavities. Tooth extraction is needed. Extract the decayed teeth first. Drag the pliers up to pull out the decayed teeth. Put the decayed teeth on the plate. Apply anti-inflammatory ointment. Implant the false root. Scan the false root to make a tooth of appropriate shape. Connect stars to print a suitable false tooth. Apply the false tooth in the right place. Treatment is complete. Decayed teeth are all replaced by sturdy false teeth. Thank you, doctor. Brush your teeth thoroughly and scrape your tongue as well, so you can have healthy teeth. Well done! Here's a badge of sturdy implant for you.